It's the highlight of conference, any conference, and I've got to introduce somebody. Do I introduce the leader of the Scottish National Party? Not enough. Do I introduce Scotland's First Minister? Not powerful enough. Do I introduce the leader of the UK's third largest party? Not big enough yet. I want to introduce to you the only party leader in the UK who people actually like. Let me just say that again. The only party leader with positive approval ratings throughout the UK. This is something our opponents can only imagine. And then I thought, wait a minute, Ed Miliband, imagine. No, that's not right at all. Ladies and gentlemen, the leader of the SNP, Scotland's First Minister, or as we like to call her, Nicola Sturgeon.